Hey, what's up, guys? This is James, and I am at Dad's house, and there's Dad on a hill. Not on a hill, on a deck. Motorcycle. This is our red. It's huge. It's like 100 years old. Look at this thing. Love this tree. It's gorgeous. Yeah. There's our old tree. Yes, we have out here. I live in the middle. I live out in the middle of nowhere. Got a taco. Or not a taco, a burrito. It's not wrapped up. There's like a tiny bit left. Oranges. We just got orange trees, and all the dead ones that fall, we throw them out here as fertilizer. Right now, mid-fertilization. Mid-fertilization. What? It's pretty out here. Going to the barn. I haven't shown you the inside of the barn. Not in an actual good video. Only with the 1-3 sandwich. Yes, he's clearly a food. Oh no, there's a Shmee coming. Code red, Shmee. Full on code red. I don't even know what that was. Where is it? I don't have a tree. Where's here? This. Sit. You sit as soon as it gets into the air. I mean, no more. I don't have any more. Oh, there's the pond. There's the set. Ducks. Look away. So, I'm gonna do some little shout outs. It fell over. So I'm gonna do some shout outs to some of my friends. Hi! So, what the heck happened to this thing? This used to be a piece of. That's what happened to the coral. We mowed the lawn. There's no more coral. There's no more nature, Dad. You ruined nature. You ruined plastic nature. Get to the chopper. Also, I got a really cool phone tripod that I recorded a time lapse with. Don't know if I'm gonna upload that or not because it wasn't that good. The tripod had a bad angle, but so here's the box. So I'm gonna end this segment here, and I'll see you guys in a little while. Yeah. I forgot to do the shout outs. So I do these every once in a while. Shmee. Yes, I'm giving a shout out to Shmee. No, he's just a dog. But he doesn't have a YouTube channel. Holy cow, Dad! There's a 6-inch mushroom over here. Oh! Last time left, I put out a trap so long ago. A fish trap. There's a spider in it. Water spiders, yes. So my first one is to say to Pop. He's doing a little contest on his channel, which I'm part of. Vote for me! If I can get all 128 of you over there, 120 something. But if I can get, look, that's that'd be nice. And also, so go subscribe to him. Shadow Blaze is my friend Marcelo. He hasn't recorded in a while, but still has a channel. Then Joe Hall Games. That's my friend Noah. And then yeah, that's pretty much all my friends' channels that are running right now. So go check out. Go check out that channel. The first one I shouted out, Soda Pop. He's doing something over there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little while. Yeah, Dad was giving us a little talk on air. Not pointing it towards pointing it towards me. Not me. Dad, give us your little talk on air.
The air comes down and blows from
That's pretty neat. So look at this. There's some more rain. We'll be doing swimming. Well, what? That's a fun fact. Yes, there are. Yeah, look, walnuts. Walnuts. Those ones are turning brown. Saw some brown on one of them. Now, this is like the biggest walnut I've ever seen right here. It's so huge. I sprinted up. The rain does such cool things. I found a walnut. Dad, look at this. It's got a hole in it. The weevils have come. Guys, the weevils. They're here. Got a weevil hole. Has a weevil hole. Throw the weevil hole walnuts. She's going to go find it. There it is. There, get the walnut. Get the nut. He's actually chewing on it. I think he spit it out. Shmee. Come here, you crazy dog. Ah! If I can get up this hill. Look at this. And this is a custom shirt my dad made. Hey Dad, what's the website you made this shirt with? Got the shirt with.
I don't know.
You forgot the website. Yeah. You get custom shirts, they're awesome. And they're really comfortable as well. So, there's a Shmee. So, I dropped the camera. There's stuff on the screen. Sorry about that, I dropped you guys. I'm running as fast as I can up here on top of this hill. Oh, tiny tree. It's as big as my thumb. Ants, lots of ants. Nature, too much nature. So, Shmee. There's a Shmee bear. Here. Little Nugget. Little Nugget, come here. Yee. Shmee. Nature. I don't even know why I'm recording this video. So, yeah, this is James saying it. James signing up. I'll see all you dudes in the next video.